I'm Joy Waldinger, and I'm a practicing artist and an art education student. I'm going to be teaching you a quick little lesson today. We are going to be making an antique craft with shoe polish. So we're going to be making an imitation print with a few household objects. We're going to be using shoe polish, Reynolds wrap, cardboard, paper, scissors, a glue stick, and a hot glue gun. So first things first, we will take the paper and we're going to draw our sketch. So I've decided to use a sketch of a bird, and we're going to transfer it to the cardboard. So for this transferring, we take a piece of graphite and we press it on the back of the paper, evenly spread throughout, and then we flip the paper over and place it over top of the cardboard. Then we take a dull pencil and we trace the outline of our image so that the graphite transfers to the cardboard. Next, we're going to take a Sharpie and we're going to make those lines darker. Once that's finished, we're going to trace over all of those lines with the hot glue gun. The purpose of this is to create a raised surface that the tin foil will go over top of so that you can see the image that you're putting the Reynolds wrap over top of. So once your lines are traced with the hot glue gun, you're going to take the Reynolds wrap and cut it so it's the appropriate size, and you're going to use a glue stick and glue down your tin foil. Make sure you smooth out all the bumps so that your piece looks embossed. Next, we're going to take the black liquid shoe polish, which I have right here. The preferred type is the one with the sponge on the top. And we're going to give this a nice wash with the shoe polish. We're going to spread it evenly throughout the top so that it gets in the little nooks and crannies. And then we're going to wait for it to dry for a few seconds and then remove the excess shoe polish. After that, we're going to let it dry. There you go, our finished product. Thank you for watching. I'm Joy Waldinger, and I hope you have a great day.